Most of the time when you're entertaining, people start coming in at different times. About 30 minutes after the start is when all of your guests are in and ready to start dinner. In the meantime, you don't want your guests to become antsy or hangry while waiting for everyone to get there. This also gives you time to finish up anything that you need to finish or prepare anything that needs to be eaten immediately after cooking. Keep your guests occupied and give them a little something to nibble on while everyone arrives and you finish up. A cheese board is an easy appetizer you can make ahead of time and everyone will love it. 2 to 3 cheeses are ideal for a cheese board. You will want to get a variety of cheeses. A good place to start is a hard cheese, a soft cheese, and a uniquely flavored cheese. If you have a cheese department in your grocery store or a cheese market nearby, you can ask the person behind the counter for recommendations. If you're making decisions alone, you can generally look for a hard cheese like a cheddar or Parmesan, a soft cheese like mozzarella or brie, and a uniquely flavored cheese like blue cheese or goat cheese. You'll want to slice the hard cheese for your guests so that it's just easy to grab a slice and enjoy. The other cheeses, take off the first bite so that your guests aren't shy about digging in and they know how to try the cheeses. A good cheese board isn't just made of cheese though. You need breads and crackers to enjoy them, and fruits and nuts. 2 types of bread or crackers are a good start. If you're making an epic sized cheese board that's more than just an appetizer for when people are arriving, you can increase your types of bread. Otherwise, 2 will be enough. A toasted baguette and a water cracker or your favorite cracker will suffice. If you have room for or are looking for another option, try a flavor cracker like a cracked pepper or a tomato basil. Next, you'll want to fill in the space of your cheese board with fruits and nuts. This is when you can use seasonal ingredients to make your cheese board special. Grapes, apples, and olives you can find year-round, but some seasonal items are blackberries, raspberries, and radishes. They're great for either spring or summer. And figs, cherries, and sliced peaches are delicious for summer. And in the fall, try roasted butternut squash, apple butter, or persimmon. Good options for the winter are pomegranate, grapefruit, and clementine. Seasonal jams can be put into little bowls for a little added sweetness to spread on bread and crackers. While your friends are catching up with each other and waiting for everyone to arrive, a cheese board is an easy crowd pleaser, and you can do it ahead of time and make sure that your gathering starts on the right bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.